Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, wherever you're watching, however you're watching. I hope you're well. My name is John and today we're going to take a quick fly through all the videos that we've done so far. So this one is sped up to a crazy speed, as you can see. If you've joined in the live stream, you know how painstaking this has been so far. I thought I'd take us right back to the start, as I feel that we're about halfway through our project. We may just be over the halfway mark, hopefully. So at this point we had no tech decks, we just had polystyrene and an idea. We had some undercoat plaster laying about, and what we use next is some scrim tape. There it is, right on cue. And this is just an idea, this is just an experiment, so I don't know how the scrim was going to hold. I didn't know if it would fall off, but it seems like it's done a very good job. It's all bonded on the underside and it's all bonded over the top to give us a nice smooth finish everywhere. So as you can see here, it's starting to look like the park, but now it really starts to take shape. So this was our first layer. We laid undercoat plaster, which isn't online anywhere to use, but actually I had a bag of it laying about. It was going to go off in less than a month, so I thought let's put it to some good use. Let's try something fun, and here we are, guys. We're making a fingerboard skate park. So once I gave it all a nice good coating with the undercoat plaster, I've now got 2-part wood filler, which again isn't advised, isn't recommended, but hey, we'll go for it. We'll see what happens. At this point we still didn't have the fingerboards, so it won't be long before the fingerboards do turn up. I think this was the day when I knew they was turning up and we just hit the streams. So this would have been yesterday, guys. If you was in the stream, you would have noticed the first one we was making it up. By stream 2 we had a fingerboard to have some fun with, so don't watch the fingerboard skills as well if you're watching the streams, because it's been a long time. So I'm pretty happy with how the whole project is coming along. It's looking really good now. Once I start giving it a colour in, once I start giving it a paint everywhere, it will look super. We still need to round off some of the jumps, make them more workable. What we do right here at the end is we slap a load of gunk in the bowl and we start to try and make this area usable, because at the moment 2 or 3/3 of it are fully usable. This bowl at the bottom left is now slightly usable. Take care.